Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change sensitivity on Roblox PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already opened my Roblox application on my PC, and to change the camera sensitivity, you can open up one of the games on Roblox. And for example guys, I'm going to open this Grow a Garden game. Okay, I'm going to play it. And then we're going to go to the Roblox setting. You can click on this icon, this menu or this icon guys, the Roblox menu, and select settings, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the camera sensitivity, and you can reduce it or increase it. It's up to you according to your needs. If you want to make your movement more sensitive, you can increase the camera sensitivity, and it will affect your movement on Roblox. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change sensitivity on Roblox PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.